Welcome my dear student in this new topic, and our today's topic is application specified integrated circuit, that is ASIC code that we already discussed in STLD. If you remember that, we already discussed it ASIC code. This ASIC is normally used to serve the specific application such as smart card, digital voice recorder and all. It integrates the several functions on a single chip, thereby reducing the cost. Because of that, what will happen? It will integrate all the different functions on a single chip. Because of that, it will the cost automatically get reduced of it. It occupies a small space, thus helping the designing smaller system with the higher functionalities. ASIC can be reconfigured by using the reusable component from building block library. If you want to reassemble, or if you have to reconfigure, we can reconfigure it by reusable component. For that purpose, we have to access the building block library. Needs initial and non-refundable investment. The non-recurring engineering charge, there is NRE, required for the process technology and configuration expense. If NRE is borne by third party, the ASIC developed and made available in the market. It is known as the S. Today's the ASIC include even a complete microprocessor memory units. This is called as the system on chip, that is SoC. एक कंप्लीट माइक्रोप्रोसेसर मेमोरी यूनिट प्रेजेंट रहता है, जिसको बोला जाता है सिस्टम ऑन चिप, दैट इज एसओसी. अगर नॉन रिकरिंग इंजीनियरिंग चार्ज रहता है, इट रिक्वायर्ड अ प्रोसेस टेक्नोलॉजी एंड कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. दिस ASICs आर द proprietary product. It is simply a proprietary product we can call. Now in that ASIC contains PLD, PLA and PAL. First is the PLD. Now what is PLD? PLD is the programmable logic devices. It is a simply electronic component which is used to build the reconfigurable digital system. If you want to design, or if you want to use reconfigure digital circuit, it can be used electronic coupled. They provide the specific function such as interfacing of data communication, etc. There are two types of PLDs. First is the fixed PLD and another is the programmable PLD. The fixed PLD which perform the fixed function. Once manufactured, this cannot be reconfigured. एक बार उसको आपने कॉन्फ़िगर कर दिया या मैन्युफैक्चर कर दिया, तो उसको आप रीमैन्युफैक्चर कर नहीं सकते. Another is the programmable PLD which can be perform any function at any time and just by changing its design. Programmable PLD में क्या है ऑपरेशन आपको, कि कभी भी आप प्रोग्रामिंग कर सकते हैं, कभी भी आप डिजाइन को भी चेंज कर सकते हैं एनी टाइम. सो दीज आर द टू डिफरेंट टाइप्स दैट ऑफ PLD, दैट इज फिक्स्ड PLD and a programmable PLD. By using the inexpensive software and hardware coupled, PLD can be designed and developed very quickly. No time is wasted to design the initial process technology or any other configuration. So no NRE cost. PLD is based on rewritable memory technology. Hence, it can be reprogrammed several times as per the user requirement during its development stage. After the final design is obtained, it can be manufactured. Now, PLD is to be developed in one of the following forms, that is PLA, that is programmable and programmable or gate plans, which is also implemented at SOP, that is to generate output programmable and programmable OR. That here the time delay is very high. Then after that, PAL, that is programmable array logic. A family of a PLD is used to implement the logic function. It consists of the programmable read-only memory, which is a core, which is also called as the array of transistor cell, which is arranged in a fixed or programmable end to implement the SOC. It means that in that PAL, the OR gate is a fix, whereas the AND gate is a programmable AND gate. By we can implement that SOP, and the additional output logic, that is ARM AND gates, to implement the desired logic function with a few components. The PAL were designed to overcome the time delay in PLA. There are some advantages of PLD, that though it offers the customer more flexibility during the design cycles. Whenever we have to use as per your requirement, we can change it. So there is a design flexibility is more. Whereas the property type to product time is a very short time. Customer do not need to pay a large NRE. Then after that NRE cost, the customer have to order just the number of parts they need. When they need them, as per the PLD's design is already available within them. In case of the fixed logic device, the customer may end up with excessive inventory. The PLD is a really programmable. Then after that, the next is commercial off the shelves, that is COTS. These are the processing codes which have the component available in the market and built for the specific application. If you want to design a specific application, we can use this commercial off the shelf. This approach provides the easy integration and interoperability with existing system components. The components are the cheaper and easily available in the market, which decrease the development time drastically. And because of that, what happens, डेवलपमेंट के लिए लगने वाला टाइम है ऑटोमेटिकली कम हो जा रहा है. इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल अगर देखा जाए तो रिमोट कंट्रोल टॉय कार इज द सिंपली बेस्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ इट. अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ TCP/IP plug-in module to provide the connectivity to the system. There is no need to design the module and write the firmware for this. Directly software डाल दिया, we can use that particular as per your required. When we have to identify the appropriate COTS component available in the market, every COTS component must have the plugin facility. We can change as per your requirement. एक बार आपने डिजाइन कर दिया, फिर आपके जैसे प्रोग्रामिंग हो, आपके जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन हो, उसी हिसाब से आप उसको प्रोग्राम कर सकते हैं और उसी हिसाब से उसका एप्लीकेशन के हिसाब से उसको डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. The only disadvantage of this code is that the manufacturer may withdraw the COTS component from the market. Thank you very much.